Lean management.
Lean management is an approach to managing an organization that supports of continuous improvement, a long-term approach to work that systematically seek to achieve small, incremental changes in process in order to improve efficiency and quality. Lean management also minimizing the process waste of maximizing the value of the product or services to the customer without compromising the quality. It focuses on deliver value of customers, it improves quality and reduce defects, as well as enhance the overall manufacturing flexibility.
Principle of lean management. First, identify the value. To better understand the customer value is important. Value is what the customer is willing to pay for. It is paramount to discover the actual or latent need of the customer. Sometimes, customer may not know what they want or unable to articulate it. This is especially common when it comes to novel products and technologies. The second is map of value stream. Identifying the map of value stream. In these steps, the goal is to use the customer's value as a reference and identify all the activities that contribute to these values activities that do not add value to the end customers are considered waste. The waste can be broken into two categories. And the third is creating the flow. After removing the waste from the value streams, the following action is to ensure the flow of the remaining steps runs smoothly without interruptions or delays. Some strategies for ensuring that value-adding activity flow smoothly include breaking down steps, reconfiguring the production steps, leveling out of workload, creating cross-functional departments, and training employees to be the multi-skilled and adaptive. And then the fourth is establish pool. The goal of the pool-based system is a limit to inventory and work in process items while ensuring that the requisite materials and information are available for a smooth flows of works. In other words, a pool-based system allows for just-in-time delivery and manufacturing where products are created at the time that they are needed in just the quantities needed. Seek perfection. When the value is specified, value streams are ascertained, non-productive steps are eliminated, and flow and pool are instigated. The process is started again and continued till the perfection state is arrived, in which the perfect value is created with no waste. Applying the principles. The 5 lean principles provide a framework for creating an efficient and effective organization. Lean allows managers to discover inefficiency in their organization. The principles encourage creating better flow in work processes and developing a continuous improvement culture by practicing all 5 principles. An organization can remain competitive, increase the value delivered to the customer, decrease the cost of doing business, and increase the profitability. There are 3 stakeholders of lean management. First is customer. For a firm, nothing can give more satisfaction than seeing your customers delight, which can be due to satisfaction they derive from the products or the customer serves. To achieve this, the issue of concerns of the customers are addressed first. The second is employee. Employees are the rank and file of the organization who are more valuable asset of the organization. When the employee is happy, He or she will also work for the organization with great enthusiasm and efficient that will help in the making of organization the best of its kind. And then the third is organization. It includes board members, the chief executive officers, and the business owner. Add to that, it covers the policy, programmers, and other implementation. A well-managed and balanced organization is capable of fulfilling customers' requirements. The benefits of lean management. The first, decrease in cost. Lean management is all about maximizing profits, while the selling price is impacted by the various factors that could depend on the product qualities or markets. Usually, companies can do more to control their cost, and lean practices helps to decrease cost so that all savings can be added to profit. The second, improve customers' interactions. Lean management began with the customer's viewpoint in mind. The way they communicate with staff, responsiveness to the concerns, and their experience with the product are some of the leading drivers of cutting wasteful practices. Utilization of push and pull. Company expenses can become inflated if leaders are not paying attention to how inventory is filling up. This can help companies prevent the problem to overproduction and paying a higher carrying cost. Companies will only order what they need. Increase quality. The goal is to decrease the number of defects and reworks in products. This action means that processes will be optimized to avoid mistakes, which save times that workers will have to take to remake products, and the money needed to pay them for the labor. Increase employee morale. Workers know where they stand and where they are improved to create quality work. Disadvantage of lean management. First, the problem of inventory. Traditionally, in lean management implementation, low amounts of stocks are kept on hand to decrease carrying cost. Difficult to change over. Employees may not always be welcoming to lean management practices. The implementation of these styles will take a lot of patience and a complete overhaul to work processes. May not be something longer tenure workers will be comfortable with. High implementation cost. Most of the time, when lean management is implemented in a company that has never before used it, it is likely that all systems and productions processes will have to end in their current state. The temptation of overstructure. Leaders can push the process beyond what they may be able to yield. So understanding the impact of incremental changes is key. The lean management in the best practice to have a centralized point of contact for supplier. Applying the lean management to safety is to ensuring the safety of all employees. Either it is fixing faulty equipment, reducing work hours to ensure workers are not too exhausted. It is crucial that leaders realize the importance of lean management practices with regards to safety. Lean measures everything. That should know how well they are doing in the new systems to keep morale and motivation high, while leaders should be aware if carrying costs or other expenses have decreased as a result of these new processes. Train workers on lean management principles. The more that workers are aware of the benefits and in cases of lean management, the moralized leader have an understanding and value of cutting of wasteful projects and processes.